na.
Nasa yun. Wala na dito, ano?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your first officer speaking. I'm delighted to welcome everyone on board this flight to 860 bound for Manila. Our flight time will be approximately 1 hour. We will climb to our cruising altitude of 32,000 feet. We expect fair to cloudy weather during the flight. Secure for your safety, please take your assigned keys as soon as possible. To facilitate our departure, keep your seatbelt.
Set. Ano set? Picture yan. Oh, picture yan. Na. Sakto yung exit. Bagsak. Suspect.
Malikot.
Suspect. Malikot sa lang. Kaya gawin ng maaga. Tanggal oh. Paa. Ay, hindi kala ko atin na yun. B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O. Kasama ko si Bingo, tulog si Mariset.
A day